We have to talk also about real estate classifications, because as you look into what areas maybe you want to invest, it is good to know, like Class A areas. If you ever hear somebody say Class A, that's very high quality homes built in great areas, affluent areas typically, newer properties in the last 15 years, great locations, professionally managed, and they usually command the highest rent, little to no maintenance or some of the benefits. We primarily invest in Class B areas, so that's something that we personally have done. And this is one step down from Class A. Typically older properties, there may be some maintenance issues, but not always. They're well maintained overall. Some are even what are called value add investments, where you see it and maybe it doesn't look like a place that you would live. Maybe there just needs to be some paint, some fixtures, put some new bushes in, and then it would really dress up the house nicely. So that's kind of the value that you can add in there. Buyers can usually acquire these properties and get a higher annual rate of return / cap rate. This is why we like the Class B areas, and they're normally not as pricey, but you still get a better return. Class C properties, over 20 years of age, located in less desirable locations, properties that need some degree of renovation, definitely higher risk, low rental rates. The tenants can be a little bit more flaky or just a little bit more interesting, I would say. And we've done it in both areas. So now some things to consider when you're buying, and Todd Sayre is also going to go over this a little bit as well. One of those things, and you have to make this decision on your own. I'm not going to tell you what to do and what not to do, but there's a great website. If you want to track a crime in an area, you can go to spotcrime.com to see in what type of crime happens in that area, and you can make the determination if you feel comfortable investing there. Population growth, U.S. Census Bureau, you can figure that stuff out there. Infrastructure, access to your amenities, the job market. If you look at the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, you can kind of figure out how much growth is happening. And everyone's heard the fact that location is everything when it comes to real estate. It doesn't matter if it's single family, commercial, Airbnb, but my wife Todd Sayre is going to discuss a few more of those and what really matters and kind of how we get into certain markets. If you weren't here today, you missed out on something special. So if we decide to open up the doors again, make sure you get registered. This training can change your life. See you guys soon.